Unleash the power of static images and watch them come alive with OpenAI's revolutionary Sora. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through transforming your still images into captivating videos, breathing dynamic life into your visual storytelling. Our journey begins with a static image. Think of this as your foundational element for our example. Let's take this beautiful forest scene. OpenAI's Sora allows us to imbue these images with movement and emotion here. We've instructed Sora to add a gentle breeze, causing the leaves to rustle and the sunlight to gently shift. This subtle animation instantly adds depth and realism. But Sora is more than just subtle animation. It's about dynamic storytelling. Imagine our astronaut. We want to convey a sense of wonder and vastness. By prompting Sora to animate the astronaut's gaze and introduce subtle cosmic movements, we transform a still portrayal of contemplation into a moment of profound discovery. The subtle shift in perspective and the twinkling stars evoke a powerful narrative without a spoken word. Transitions are key to seamless storytelling. Let's consider this vintage car. Instead of a jarring cut, Sora can create fluid transitions. We can instruct it to animate the car starting and driving away, dissolving from the still image into a dynamic street scene. Think of this as a visual bridge, connecting moments and maintaining audience engagement. The possibilities are limitless for breathing life into any visual, from subtle character animations to grand environmental shifts. Sora empowers your creativity. So start experimenting. Upload your images, craft your prompts, and watch your static visuals evolve into dynamic, engaging videos. The future of visual storytelling is here with Sora OpenAI.